Guess we're supposed to open this or something. I don't know. Hey, he goes for them, don't they? I mean, don't he? Okay, opening the door. Guess we're supposed to like go in something over here. I don't know. Gosh, they're mean. Oh, they're putting smoke in there or something. Dang. I think that's acid or something. No, not acid. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Let us out. Let us the freak out. Okay, we're good. Move. Move! Heck yeah. No scopes or something. I don't know. I think I got like 2-1 in combo or something. What's this? Oh yeah. I remember this gun. World at War. This is a good gun. Ah, I got killed by a freaking explosive. Dang it. Throw a bomb over there. 3, 2, 1. There they go. They keep on freak shooting me. Die! Yeah. Whoops. Okay. There we go. Just remember not to die again. There's like more. I don't know. What? Oh, plane explosion. Okay. Guess we're gonna blow this place up or something. Let's ride. Hit it? Yeah. Okay, so we better hurry. I guess we're on time. In time, I guess. So I guess we better hurry and get out of here before it explodes. Yeah, the ship's just right up here. Oh shoot. Wow, that's a big symbol. Die. Why would they put that right there? What the heck? Okay. Whew. The ship's just right over here. Die. Move, I'm trying to get off the ship. No, no, no. No, no, no. No. Because they're not killing me. Okay, where are they at? Where are they at? Where are they at? Where are they? I'm getting hit. No. Leave him alone. Yeah, stay down. Ugh. Okay, get off the ship. Get off the ship. Come on, go. We did it. Guess we gotta run or something because the ship's gonna explode. Okay, guys, we did it. We destroyed it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.